Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at BCR. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. BCR is a licensed, no-dealing desk forex broker that has over 20 years of industry experience and is regulated by the British Virgin Island Financial Services Commission, or BVFSC. This broker offers 24-hour customer support, powerful trading tools, and tight spreads on a wide range of instruments. With BCR, you can enjoy commission-free trading, and you will have access to educational resources, market analysis, research material, and live market news. BCR offers more than 100 instruments, and you can trade a variety of currency pairs, commodities, metals, indices, and shares with this broker. To find out more about the instruments you can trade with BCR, click on the menu button and head over to the Instruments page under the Trading tab to view instruments individually. You can also click on Instruments to see an overview of all the instruments BCR offers. BCR offers a user-friendly website that is easy to navigate. To view the menu, simply click on the menu button on the left side of the screen and a drop-down menu will appear. Everything you need to know about accounts, trading conditions, and instruments can be found under the Trading section. To access all the trading guides, financial news, and market insights, click on the Trading Resources tab. The BCR customer support team is available 24 hours a day, and live chat is responsive and reliable. You can also contact the BCR support team via email or telephone. To view their contact details, click on the About Us tab and head over to the Contact Us page. BCR offers a $10 deposit bonus up to the value of $5,000 and is available to new and existing clients. BCR partners and affiliates will get access to free marketing material, personalized business support, and competitive rebates. This broker also has a unique leveling system for partners and affiliates, and if you join the program, you can earn achievements and unlock exclusive rewards. If you don't plan on being a BCR affiliate, however you enjoy trading with this broker, you can join the BCR loyalty program to earn BCR points that are redeemable for a great selection of products. There are two types of accounts that you can open with BCR, and this broker also offers a swap free account and demo accounts. If you are new to trading, then you can practice on a demo account in the meantime. Demo accounts are the safest way to trade for beginners, and this account allows you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. You can also use a demo account to test your strategies and try new tools and platform features. Once you are ready to open a live account, you can open a standard account or an alpha account. The standard account has a minimum deposit requirement of $300 and is a commission-free account that offers spreads from 1.7 pips. This account is eligible for promotions and it has a maximum lot value of 10. The alpha account offers spreads from as low as 0 pips, but commission fees are charged on this account, and it allows 20 lots per transaction. This account requires a minimum deposit of at least $500 and is currently not eligible for promotional offers. Both accounts have a maximum leverage cap of 1 to 400 and can be used as swap-free accounts. Muslim clients can open a swap-free account. With this type of account, no interest or rollover fees are charged or earned. In order to learn more about the accounts and trading conditions BCR offers, click on the menu button and head over to the Accounts Overview page under the Trading tab. Your BCR account can be used on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. MetaTrader 4 is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. It was released in 2005, and this platform is renowned for its advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, and more. This platform comes with easy-to-read interactive charts, and you can monitor and analyze the markets in real time. You will have access to more than 30 technical indicators, and there are 9 different timeframes to choose from. MetaTrader 4 can be used on desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile devices. You can find download links for MetaTrader 4 by clicking on the menu button and heading over to the platform page. Creating an account with BCR may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is straightforward, and you can follow these simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the BCR homepage, and then click on the Open Account button. Complete the online application form. Next, you'll want to verify your account and email address. Then log in to the client portal. Once your account is set up, verified and approved, you can fund your account and start trading with BCR. After your account is set up, the next step would be to download and install the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install MetaTrader 4, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with BCR. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch. And at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content online or over on the MetaTrader official website to help you understand the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. Your account can be funded using Skrill, NetTeller, PayPal, Union Pay, Visa and MasterCard debit or credit cards, and bank transfers. Despite the minimum deposit requirement being high, BCR provides a great selection of educational trading guides and tutorials. So we recommend opening a demo account with BCR if you would like to learn the basics. You will also find MetaTrader 4 user guides on this page, and a trading glossary that you can use as a reference when you come across any unfamiliar terms. As a BCR client, you will have access to market news updates with detailed market insights into economic events, and MetaTrader 4 has built-in fundamental analysis. Overall, BCR offers competitive spreads, commission-free trading, and flexible accounts that can be used to trade a wide range of instruments on one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. This broker also provides exclusive market insights and research material, and there are multiple ways you can earn rewards with BCR. Their customer support team is friendly and reliable, and this broker might just give you a competitive edge in the markets. So, if you are interested, be sure to open your account today to get access to competitive spreads, flexible accounts, a great selection of rewards, good customer support, and to get a head start on your trading career with BCR. And that is our overview of BCR. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.